Elomatic is an international consulting and engineering company. We provide top-level expert services to machinery and equipment, process and energy, marine and offshore energy and pharmaceutical industries. We focus on solutions that increase the well-being of people and environment. One of our special expertise areas is additive manufacturing, which allows us to optimize the structures and use materials resource wisely. By bringing together our manufacturing industry experience and special know-how of structural analysis and computational fluid dynamics, we can solve even the most difficult product development and design problems. Our diverse experience enables us to utilize additive manufacturing with its best features together with other manufacturing methods. Our design expertise for additive manufacturing includes structural and thermal analysis for strength of structures, fluid, gas, and heat flow analysis for smooth and energy-efficient flows, topological and parametrical optimization for the most suitable structure and every function, laser scanning for quality control, mechanical engineering of safe structural solutions, and development of efficient and sustainable production. Together with our 3D printing partners, we can offer turnkey deliveries of part and structure engineering or rapid prototypes for product development projects.